wonderful friends, it's Sonia Miller of Junk Monkey Paint Company, and welcome back to my daily vlog. We start here in the garage, although we're getting ready to get in the car to go to Walmart because we are going to check out the clearance section. I have been eyeballing up this amazing clearance section at my local Walmart, but every single time I go in, I've been on a mission. I haven't had time to really go browse, so today is the day. We are going to go get a case of water because it's so hot. Anybody else like dying out there from the heat right now? So this is what I have just been working on. I found these really cool pieces at the local Salvation Army. I got them for $5.99 a piece. Right there. And they're like this metal tin sort of feel to them. And the colors that were in it was just a yellow and a red, but I've added in some blues. If you can see over here, I added in a little bit of the Be My Honey, Blue Slate, Teal River, and then I put some Precious Peat, some metallic peat on the top of it, which is our paint and sealer all in one. And I'm basically trying to put in some colors that are in my space because my living room is not all red and yellow, right? If you guys saw me paint this last night in our exclusive painters group, you will know that that is the rug that I have in the living room. This is the piece I did that goes below it, but I don't have any red. And so I had to bring in some blues. So this piece down here is done. What a gorgeous day. Guys, what a gorgeous day. holy moly. It is hot out there. Got my stuff loaded in the back and picked over the clearance section, and I got a few things. I'm happy. I got some head wraps. Did you see those on the very end? Love that. The doggies are gonna be happy because I got some dog treats for them that I found on discount. Some chicken ones. They love chicken. Got some washi tape. Did you guys see the bin full of washi tape? That was only $1.50. Some really cute little things. Great for when you're working in like your mixed media journal. And I got myself a $5 tablecloth. It's gray. Perfect. It's gonna work. I had to stop and get out and check, guys. There was this little dog that popped his head up in the car next to me, and the windows are like barely cracked. So I'm like, I gotta make sure that that little doggy's okay in all this heat. And turns out that he's strapped in the back seat and he's sitting in the car with the AC on, so he is just fine. It made me kind of laugh. His head just like popped up back there. There he is. And now we do the drive home, make some supper real quick. A newspaper reporter is coming to our house in about an hour to interview us about our business and about what we do, which is going to be really cool. I'm going to go home, make a quick bite to eat, and then get ready for that. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, for giving me a thumbs up and leaving me a comment below. Are you a clearance aisle lurker? Does the sight of a yellow and black tag or even a red one get your attention? And do you find joy in finding stuff on sale? I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.